Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming hardware and saving your data. First, make sure the laptop meets minimum RAM and storage. That prevents install failures. Once done, back up any personal files to an external drive or cloud so you can restore later. Next, install the Chromebook recovery utility in Chrome and open it. Use the utility to create a bootable Chrome OS Flex USB with an 8+ GB stick. This is your installer and must be error-free before moving on. You'll now boot the laptop from the USB. Reboot and open the BIOS or one-time boot menu, then select the USB drive as the boot device. Once Chrome OS Flex loads, choose Try First to verify Wi-Fi, touchpad, audio, and display. This avoids surprises before wiping the drive. If everything looks good and you're on AC power, choose Install to overwrite the existing OS. Make sure to read prompts about erasing the disk. Then confirm to begin the installation. You'll finish by walking through the first run setup. Sign in with your Google account, set preferences, and enable updates. Once on the desktop, check for system updates and install the apps you need. Use web apps if a native app is unavailable. If the laptop fails to boot after install, try resetting firmware boot order, recreate the USB installer on a different stick, and retest with Try First. Those steps fix most boot or hardware detection problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.